This superfood ice cream is so tasty and totally guilt-free. We're going to start with a cup of frozen blueberries. You know, blueberries have the highest level of antioxidants of any of the common fruits or vegetables, and you want those because they prevent disease. Then you're going to add a small ripe banana. I prefer frozen, and I always like to keep a bag of frozen bananas in my freezer for dessert emergencies. You're going to add that all to your blender or food processor. Then add a cup of vanilla almond milk. You could use any plant milk as long as it is vanilla flavored. Then add a tablespoon of cashew butter. It's going to help to make it smooth and creamy. You could substitute that for almond butter as well. Then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract will help with that wonderful sweet flavor without adding any sugar. And this next, chia seeds are totally optional, but if you want to add fiber and protein and omega-3s, they're great. You also could add cauliflower or baby spinach to up the nutrients as well. Put that all in your blender for about a minute. You may need to scrape down the sides or add some more plant milk to make it smoother, and then you are ready to enjoy. So tell me, would you make this healthy, delicious superfood ice cream? I'd love to hear.